Hello my lovelies, I hope you are well. Let's start our second quarter. It's a chemistry, talking about the chemistry. So let's start with lesson 1 called the atom. So what's the atom? The atom is the smallest unit that has the chemical properties of the element, the smallest unit of the element. The atom consists of 3 subatomics, protons, neutrons, and electrons. So the first one, the atomic structure. This is the atom. Okay, this is the structure of the atom in front of us. So the first one we have in the middle, the nucleus. The nucleus consists of neutrons and protons, and the electrons around or look like a cloud around the nucleus. So the nucleus is small but very dense, consists of the protons and neutrons. The protons have a charge +1 and the mass 1. The neutrons is electrically neutral and no charge, and the mass is 1. The electrons. The electron is the orbit around the nucleus, called electron cloud, and it's negatively charged, -1, and the mass is 0. So how can we describe the atom? It's not possible to determine the exact position and the speed of the electron at the same time. So compared with the proton and the neutron, the electron have very little mass, like we said, it's 0. The number of the protons and electrons in the atom are the same, and their charge balances the atom overall 0. An atom can lose or gain electron to become an ion, which has a net positive or negative charge. So how we can describe the atoms? We have the periodic table. The periodic table consists of a lot of elements. So each element have a number. The number called the atomic number. The number is the number of proton of an atom. So the atoms of an element always have the same number of protons, but the number of the neutrons may differ. So the total number of protons and neutrons in the atom called atomic mass. So we have atomic number and we have atomic mass. And also we have the definition of isotopes. Isotopes are the atom of the same element that have different number of neutrons. Thanks a lot. If you need anything, please tell me.